Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohan Athanari. Now we are the discuss topic how to create a truncated bar chart in GraphPad Prism software. Okay, this is a data set for our created in the truncated bar chart. The first one for the category in the hardness, the range 5000 range, and next one for the temperature, pH and dissolved oxygen, very lowest range. Okay, this graph copy paste to the GraphPad Prism software. So the select the data, copy and go to the GraphPad Prism software. Okay, they select for the table and graph options. The first one for the select the column options and data table for the enter or input data into a new table. Then next one for the options for the first one, the enter replicated value stock into columns. So then click the create button. Okay, the worksheet ready. The paste data, the group the title column selected and the right click the paste the data. Okay, now the created for the first in the bar chart with the standard deviation in GraphPad Prism software. So select the options for the create a new graph options. Open the new tab. The select for the kind of the graphs option for the column options. So the select for the mean, medium and error options. Select one for the first the bar graph, the mean value with the standard deviations. Then click the OK button. Now the created for the bar graph with the standard deviation. So the first increased for the graph size. The x-axis length changed to the 9 centimeter. Okay, now the breakdown for the y-axis value. So the useful for the right options. Select for the format axis option. Open the new tab for format axis. Then go to the left y-axis column and the select for the gap and direction options. Then select one for the second options in the two segments. Okay, then apply. Okay, now the y-axis value break to two column because the two segments. The first one segment for the 0 to 3000, the second one segment for the 3000 to starting and 6000. So the customized for this option, select for the segment options for the bottom options, the minimum 0 to 30. Okay, because for the height of the temperature, pH, dissolved oxygen view on the this range. So the select the apply button. Okay, now the view for the temperature, pH and dissolved oxygens. So the next one change for the top options. The second one category change to the top. The minimum 3000 start and the maximum 6500. Okay, then apply. Okay, the range for the same y-axis value, the minimum for the first segment 0 to 30 and the second segment 30 to 3000 to 6500. Okay, this is for the break range for the 31 to 2999 because for the options is hind but the no value is no change. Okay, then created for the plain frame. So the first one option selected and the style of the frame, the select for the plain frame, then apply. Then click the OK button. Delete the title. Okay, now the customized for the and change to the y-axis the category name to the legend, move to the legend options. So the select for the options, the format axis, the x-axis, the location and options no, and the down options the no. Okay, then click the OK options. Then select to the format of the graph. Okay, then the first one for the hardness. So the legend options is selected the checkbox, apply. Okay, now the change to the color for the hardness options. Okay, change to the color the green and the border for the 1 and the border color is a black. Okay, and also error bar options 1. Okay, the next one for the change to the data set for the temperature. So the temperature change to the color red and the border 1 and border color also the black. The error bar options the thickness 1. Okay, then select for the legend option also. Okay, they select the legend options. The next one for the pH, they change to the color for the blue, and the border with 1, and also the change the same changes. So the legend option. Okay, the next one for the dissolved oxygen, change to the color and the border with 1, and the error bar with also the 1. So the legend options. Okay, then click the OK button. The move the legend options. Okay, then third one for the pH. Okay, the next for the change to the font style, select the whole the graph, select to the font Time Roman, and font size for the 12 or 14. Okay, the 14. Okay, the y axis, the x-axis title for the water parameter, water parameters. Okay, the x-axis title for the delete, y-axis title. Okay, this is for the. Okay, next for the added to the value, sorry, the added to value, the select for the format access graph. Okay, the last one option selected, the select for the first one options, the above the bar and error option, select to the plotted the value. Okay, then apply. Okay, then format options for the direction is horizontal, and the value for the 2, then apply. Okay, they change to the font, the unclick for the automatic dimensional options, the font, click the font options, change to the font for the Time Roman, regular, and font size for the 12, then apply. Okay, they change to the font style for the 12, 14 or 12. If you want the 12, change to the 12. Okay, then apply. Okay, the font change to the 12, then click the OK button. Okay, this is for the creating method in the Truncated bar chart in the GraphPad Prism software. If you like this video or think to useful this video, please click the like this video and click to the subscription button and support to me join to our channel membership. Okay, thank you.